My people, I love a man that can cook. I love me some food. I love a man that could turn my kitchen upside down. I'll be so happy to wash the dishes as long as the food tastes good. But you know, I called him Lucien at the top of the show. His name is Lucien Dunn. He's our chef on the morning show right now. Give him a round of applause. Lucien Dunn, the pepper jelly entrepreneur. His brand is called Mosaic Foods Pepper Jelly. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Thanks, big up. I'm feeling good.
Yeah. So, chef, tell me about you and the chefing. 2007, you entered this arena. How long have you, tell me about the journey since 2017 as a chef.
All right, so really and truly, cooking is my passion. Is it like, I'd rather dead if I can't cook. You understand me? I said, I love it, gone to bed. So at the end of the day, right now, I go through a whole heap of different restaurants and a whole heap of things and go on. Own my craft and thing. My goal really is to be the greatest chef in the history of the world by far. You understand me? I say? So at the end of the day, you know, I have to put in the work for get that done. And I feel like for be great is a simple formula, you understand? Find a way to serve the many. You understand? So in the cooking world, how I sit down and I think how I can find a way to serve many people. And that way to me is through manufacturing, because at the end of the day, a whole heap of people can get for taste what I do. Like if I just there at one place I cook, my hunger can cook for so much people. But if I have a product, whole heap more can get for
the whole world.
Exactly.
The whole world.
Yeah. So that is the reason why I'm going to manufacturing. So my first product I decide for manufacture is pepper jelly.
I like to always hear the origin, the genesis, the embryonic stages of a product. How did this come to life? How did you plant this seed?
Alright, so I'm going to tell you what really going on now. So the place where I work right now, Hancock, them use a whole heap of pepper jelly on them cheese boards and in them dishes. So when we go to Hancock, I see them use pepper jelly and I tell them, say, no, so I can't make that, but choose a complicated process, enough people think I couldn't make it. So I just said to them, say I couldn't make it until one time come where them run out from the supplier where them normally get it. I'm going to make it and then everybody taste it and I say, John, it tastes better than the person who normally buy it from. Some say, okay, all right, I just start make it and then them just start buy. So till them just stop buy from the person and buy from me fully.
Woo!
Yeah. So right now I supply all 3 locations at Hancock. I supply broken plates. I supply exit 21 with the industrial size, the gallon. So this
is the gallon here.
Yeah.
So now you started supplying the place where you work as a Jamaican entrepreneur, and you can also supply other restaurants across the world.
Yeah, man.
With this is called a gallon top.
Yeah.
A gallon is.
Gallon, 1 gallon.
1 gallon. And this is a cheese board. Now you know my mouth is watering. You know me love food, right?
Yeah, man.
All right. So let me ask you something now, Chef Don. While you talk, let me just.
Yeah, man, you can go on through, man. You can taste it, man. You can taste it. I'm gonna give you a spoon right here. So.
Watch out, the spoon, catch up on it. Let me take the knife.
All right.
Watch
cool.
Watch it, chef. So I'm gonna go pepper jelly with some crackers.
Yeah, and cheese.
Some cheese. What kind of cheeses you have?
So we have some truffle cheese right here. So we have
Why
cheese.
Why are you using so much fancy name?
No,
what is
because
it called?
remember say me I want chef, you know, truffle.
Yeah.
So
truffle.
Yeah, so me I go seek out the best for
right.
bring
so which one are the truffle?
That one here are the truffle.
Which one? This one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, so me get a piece of truffle and put it on there. With am I doing it right?
Yeah, man, I do it right.
So let me ask you, what makes up a pepper jelly? I need to taste it for the people. So talk to the people.
So
and
the pepper jelly make from sweet pepper, hot pepper, sugar, vinegar, basics. You understand what I say? And me keep it as simple as possible. You understand what I try to show you? So what really happen now is, as I may say, a Jamaican every single thing. So farmer give me sweet pepper them and I concentrate on them look at something there. You get me I say? So yeah man, 100% Jamaican, organic, natural, gluten free, vegan friendly, everything.
It's all up in my teeth, that's why I'm savoring. It's not a lot of pepper.
Yeah.
It's the right amount of kick. There is no reason for our country to import pepper jelly again.
Yeah.
There's no reason.
Yeah, man.
My goodness. So how's it going so far? I mean, you have a beautiful product.
Yeah.
I love how it looks. Your logo looks good. The packaging looks good. I need a tissue. This is so good. Lipstick all over. Is it in my teeth?
No, man, you're good to
Can
go,
I go
man.
through?
Yeah, man, I can
I
go
can
through,
keep
man.
talking?
Yeah, man.
All right. So, Chef, it's at Encore locations now. Where do you want to take it? I told you, I mean, I heard you say you want to feed the world.
Yeah, man.
Where are we going with the product? And as if I want to order for my home, delivery, what other services do you have to get it in our homes?
All right, so right now, you can get it from any one of the Hancock locations them, or you can contact me personally. So my Instagram is Chef Don, or the Instagram for the actual product is Mosaic Foods JA.
Mosaic Foods JA, Chef Don on Instagram. I am very inspired.
Yeah, man.
I'm very inspired. So
Respect.
when did the product come to life? I know you started in the chef world in 2017, but when did the product come to life?
So the product actually came to life when I realized the feedback we did get from when we did make it the first
Yeah,
time.
what day?
So
What year?
Well, that was 2017.
Same time?
Yes, so that's when I decided I need to take up this thing and make
So you
it.
started as a chef 2017?
Well, I started as a chef 2013.
Oh, 2013, but the
Yeah,
product
the
came
product
to life.
start
Right,
2017.
Beautiful story.
Yeah, man.
I'm very inspired. Thank you for bringing it. Can I take the cheese home?
Yeah, you can, yeah, man. You can do that, man.
Okay, one for my auntie.
You can take any amount. We have
One
cases.
for my cousin.
Yeah.
The man of feed the world, I like it.
Yeah.
One for you people. Check it
Yeah.
out. Mosaic pepper jelly. It does taste really. And what's this? What's this, chef?
So this now, seeing that tomorrow our big day, so this regular Jamaican cook up saltfish.
saltfish.
You just cook it up like how your grandmother would have cooked
Yeah.
it up regular,
Uh-huh.
and you put it on a crackers with some pepper jelly. Just to try to show you how pepper jelly versatile.
The chef, me not eat nothing with the chef not eat. Take one and eat. Let me
Yeah,
see.
man, we can eat it, man. We are talking about.
Let's eat together. People, don't watch us. Watch the TV. Smile Jamaica continues. See, you put the whole of cracker in them out?
man.
Let me
So
try.
do-
Let me try. Wait a minute.
Yeah, man.